there's fires and shit.
Alright. Alright, see you in a few. Guys, so we just switched from snowmobiling and we stopped over at the hill because we got so much powder, and there's tons of powder out here. They're just grooming and stuff. It's pretty slow because it's like heavy wet snow, but so we'll see how the riding conditions are. Tread the woods, bro. Yay! Yeah! Oh gosh. I just got so stuck in the snow. We just got on chair and we took a few wipeouts. It's by far the slowest snow that we've ever been on. Sticky. I don't know. It's like sticky as heck. We should have got like special wax on for the hot snow. Oh, they took the food away. That used to be a concession stand. All right. Send it off the high part.